Hello everyone, I am Vishal Kumaran and today I am going to present a case study topic on energy efficient comparison of LED, OLED and LCD in industrial lighting. So, lighting systems are very important in industries because factories, warehouse, production plants, office requires a continuous lighting for a long working hours. Choosing an energy efficient lighting is very important in industries because it helps to reduce energy consumption, operation cost, heat generation, and maintenance requirements. In this case study, we are going to compare three lighting technologies: LED, OLED, and LCD. LED stands for light emitting diode, OLED stands for organic light emitting diode, and LCD stands for liquid crystal display based lighting system. So comparison is based on energy efficiency, brightness, lifespan, heat generation, maintenance, and industrial sustainability. OLED lighting. OLED uses an organic material that emits light when electricity is supplied. Features of OLED. OLEDs are thin and has a flexible design and has a uniform light distribution. It has a lightweight structure, also gives a better visual comfort. Application. OLEDs used in decorative industrial interiors and used in smart displays, also in premium lighting systems. However, OLED is still expensive and less durable compared to LEDs. LCD lighting. LCD means liquid crystal display. LCD system doesn't produce light directly. It requires a backlight source for illumination. Features of LCD: it has a moderate brightness and have high energy consumption compared to LED. They are mainly used in displays and monitors. Applications: industrial monitoring systems, control panel displays, and in instrumental systems. LCD lighting is not commonly used for industrial area illumination. Let us consider a medium scale manufacturing industry operating for 16 hours daily. The industry tests LED, OLED, and LCD lighting systems in three different scenarios for several months. After several months of observation, the results are: LED selection. Bright illumination was achieved, less energy consumption was achieved, and heat generation was minimal. Maintenance required were very less, and workers reported better visibility and productivity. OLED selection. Light quality was smooth and visually comfort. Energy efficiency was better than LCD but lower than LED. Initial installation cost was high, durability was lower, and harsh in industrial collection. LCD selection. Power consumption was very high compared to LED and OLED. More heat was produced, and brightness was not sufficient for large industrial areas, and maintenance frequency was higher. From the observation, LED lighting shows best results in overall industrial performance. Comparison of LED, OLED, and LCD. Energy efficiency. LED has higher energy efficiency, and OLED provides moderate efficiency, and LCD consumes more power due to backlight requirement. Lifespan. LED have a long lifespan, and OLED has a moderate lifespan. LCD depends on the backlight system. Heat generation. LED and OLED produces a low heat, but LCD produces comparatively higher heat. Cost. LED has a moderate installation cost and low maintenance cost. OLED has very high installation cost and also moderate maintenance cost. LCD has a moderate cost but higher operation expenses. Industrial suitability. LED has high sustainable for industries. OLED is sustainably maintained mainly for premium and decorative applications. LCD is mainly suited for display systems rather than industrial lighting. Advantages and limitations. Advantage of LED: have a better energy saving and also a longer lifespan. It is environmentally safe and reduce electricity bill and reliable performance and has a reliable performance. Limitation of OLED. It is an high expensive technology and has have a low durability, sensitive to moisture and temperature. Limitation of LCD. Have a high energy usage, requires a backlight, and low efficiency for industrial lighting. Conclusion. From this case study, we could conclude that LED lighting have a better choice for industrial application. It provides maximum energy, long lifespan, better brightness, lower maintenance, and operational cost. OLED offers a good visual quality and flexibility, but due to its currently more suitable for specialized application due to its high cost. LCD systems are mainly used for displays and monitoring equipment rather than an industrial illumination. Therefore, industries aiming for energy conservation, cost reduction, and a sustainable operation should prefer LED lighting systems. Thank you.